Dollar Tree's Crafter Square is a great resource for many of your crafting and DIY needs. However, did you know that there are some terrific finds down some of those other aisles? Here are some of my favorite non-crafting, crafting, and DIY items from the Dollar Tree. First up, head to the toy aisle and pick up these wood puzzle pieces. Seriously, if you do not buy anything else on my list, you'll want to get these. You'll use them to stabilize pieces, add depth and dimension as I did with this wall piece, and even convert a wall piece to one that stands on a shelf or a table. Next, hop over to Party Supplies and pick up a rectangular tablecloth. I cut one into about 8 pieces and use it to protect my table when I'm working. The beauty supply aisle is full of great crafting finds. I love this face scrubber, and I have found it to be a fun tool to give dimension to a piece by using multiple paint colors without them actually blending together. And here's a similar tool, and I'm super interested to see how the rubber side works with this painting technique. I really love this fluffy powder brush. I used a similar brush to create a marbling look with paint without the mess. I love using makeup wedge sponges for doing a dabbing technique with paint, and while I haven't seen wedges at the Dollar Tree in a while, I think these sponges would do the trick just fine. And don't forget good old cotton swabs. Not only are they great for cleanup, but I've also used them to apply paint to the edge of a piece to give a shadow effect. Now just down the aisle from the beauty supplies will be bathroom accessories. After washing my paintbrushes, I place them in one of these toothbrush holders while they dry, rather than leave them lying on the counter or sink. And if you don't have a silicone mat for your hot glue gun, grab a soap dish to protect your tablecloth. We'll head to the hardware section next, but on your way, stop at the summer barbecue end cap and pick up a bag or 2 of these skewers. You'll want them for stabilization as well as accents. This display is only up during the summer months, so when you see them, be sure to grab them. The hardware section has so many non-craft items. First, grab some sandpaper, either a pack of sheets or the block, or even both. You'll need to give some wood pieces a bit of sanding to remove rough edges, and sanding a finished piece will give it a weathered look. Next is this twine, which not only makes a great hanger for your wall pieces, but also can be added to pieces to give texture and dimension. A narrow paintbrush from the hardware section is great for painting larger pieces quickly and easily. And while the Crafter Square section does have sponge brushes in a pack of 5, the sponge brushes in the hardware section are a pack of 8. You definitely need a utility knife for cutting thicker materials such as cardboard, foam board, and even the pre-made Dollar Tree signs. Your next stop is going to be kitchen supplies. For years, I have used an aluminum pan to catch glitter and keep it contained and the mess to a minimum. Crafting does require some supplies and tools, but they don't need to be expensive. Visit the Dollar Tree and think outside the box, or the Crafter Square aisle, and you'll save a ton. Now, I did not include organizing items in this video because I will be doing a separate video specifically on organizing your crafting supplies using many items from the Dollar Tree. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notification button so you'll know when I upload this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have a quality day.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.